dressed from head to foot for it. Let's see if we make her. Okay, folks, let's take you outside here. 2 days of hard blizzard blowing is finally done, and you can see in behind me we got clear skies and a sunrise coming. The wind does strange things with the snow. You can see in behind me here, I got snow drifts in behind me there as high as 7 feet high. And if you look around it here, the wind is totally, I never cleared any of this out. The wind totally cleared this all out around my truck. Isn't that nice? Didn't leave me quite enough room to back up, but it did leave me a trail to the other truck. That is so weird how the wind does that, eh? You seen it here? Blizzard in the north. Woo! Go north.